Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing a game. You know why? Because the Wi-Fi does not suck anymore. I mean, yes, it's okay, but sometimes it gets a little bit laggy. Yes. So on the YouTube, on the TV, we're watching Doctor Strange doing stuff. What is he doing? So cut for a second, cause this is gonna take a while. Nah, bro, my ping earlier was 41, 41, and when I start recording, it's 65. Forsaken is doing something bad. 71 network ping. My lowest ping earlier before I started recording was the lowest ping I had was 41. Now it's 81. Please don't get even bigger, please. I beg you. When I was recording, it turned into 60 plus. Okay, I'm gonna kill a cat. No, I'll kill this chance. He definitely has weakness. Bro, I hit my crap energy. Death. Oh my goodness, bro. I suck at John Doe. Where is he? Okay, I should have not used it. Okay, I hate corrupt energy, okay? I just suck at the game. Actually, corrupt energy is the best thing in the game. Okay, I need to find a spot where they keep on going. So that...
Gosh.
Lock in. Lock in, bro. Thanks for giving me free speed, bro. But it's just as auto blocking. I don't think he's auto blocking. Maybe it's just skill. Half trapped. The worst level 75 John Doe in the world. So this gets us going. No, I don't know if I killed that. Bro, I'm getting teamed on, bro. I'm gonna kill this guy. No, he got the weakness. But where is he? These groups are getting out of hand. Oh, but I was supposed to use crap energy. Okay, at least I hit him.
Gosh, here we go again.
Don't stupid this guy. No, just go back for 2 more seconds. I'm stuck at using this speed. I bet somebody's not there. Stupid cat. No. Okay, wait, that guest is low. I'm targeting him now. Nice. W clutch, bro. I have 50 more seconds. This is gonna be hard. Damn it. This didn't back down on me. I'm so tired. By the way, if I use digital footprint at the end of the run, it means I'm frustrated, stressed, and mad. Okay? Broke up. Only if I did not change targets. But I just witnessed something I should have not witnessed. My ping was 41 earlier. Now it's the worst ping. Whatevs, guys. See you next time for more fun and nice videos. Bye. Wait, how do I? Bye.